Immunisation is an important part of primary healthcare, but unfortunately, many vaccines never get to fulfil their potential. Far too often, they fail in development due to poor stability, or once marketed, they fall short in preserving viability. Albumedex manufacture and distribute albumin, a biological product that is helping to address these critical issues.
Albumin, the most abundant protein in our bodies, is here being manufactured recombinantly, that is, by recombining genetic material from a patented yeast strain host with the genetic code of human albumin. The process avoids issues of variability or other risks which can come with albumin derived from blood donations, known as human serum albumin. Albumedics, a company with close to 4 decades' experience of perfecting this process to make high-quality human albumin, say they're harnessing nature to help enable viable vaccine production.
Albumedics is a biotech company, life science company, which is enabling and empowering the life science industry through its albumin-based solutions. We are relying on the same genetic sequence. We've just taken it and put it into yeast cells, which is also designed by nature to produce protein. So that's when we say recombinantly made, it's still the human protein that you would find in you and me that we're making. We're just ensuring that it is 100% pure and consistent every single time.
In these labs here in Nottingham, Albumedics scientists research the particular qualities of the recombinant human albumin they manufacture to further understand the advantages they can bring to clients, helping maximise efficient vaccine production and ultimately benefit patients. The public only sees the tip of the iceberg concerning vaccine development, how few potential vaccines ever make it to market, or how the successful ones rely on a vast value chain of industry collaboration to overcome challenges like how to scale up or stabilise the product for worldwide availability and safe administration.
Our albumin can benefit in 3 different ways. It effectively can coat surfaces to stop the adherence of vaccines to those container surfaces. It can disperse throughout solutions, so it stops the vaccine aggregating, clumping to itself, and also it can mop up free radicals, reactive oxidation species, effectively protecting the vaccines from degradation. Vaccines can have stability issues at high temperatures, and by using albumin to help stabilise vaccines, it can enable shipment and overcome some of those logistical challenges of getting vaccines to warmer climates.
More than 50 vaccine programmes are currently relying on or evaluating Albumedics human albumin in their value chain. Partners like Valneva, who've developed Europe's first inactivated whole virus vaccine against COVID-19.
Developing a stable formulation can be very, very complex and indeed quite challenging. And we found with the Albumedics product, it's actually helped us create a vaccine that's more stable and scalable. Our vaccine, the inactivated COVID vaccine, requires a 2 to 8 degree Celsius cold chain. So with that, we're hoping it should make it easier to be able to distribute our vaccine to patients who may need it. What we've seen in the last 18 months has been truly incredible. Not only the scale of collaboration, but the speed of collaboration and the speed of decision making as well across the whole supply chain.
And collaboration is expanding the role of vaccines. Albumedics work with manufacturers of WHO-recognised vaccines to protect children and travellers, as well as taking vaccines beyond their prophylactic defensive application into therapeutics, priming the immune system to fight an infection or disease like cancer, a new realm for joint industry achievement.